Apache ATV Tours brings you the wheels to get up and go. All our vehicles are late model, clean, and well maintained. Apache ATV Tour bikes are automatic and easy to drive. For those who prefer a ride instead of a drive, jump on board our comfortable 6-passenger Polaris crew model for the ride of your life. With this model, 2 people can ride in comfort with our unique built-in footrests, and there's plenty of storage for all your gear. For a whole lot of fun in the Arizona sun, it's Apache ATV Tours.